Kailan po mag-uumpisa na libre na po, covered na ng PhilHealth, ang ultrasound, MRI, CT scan, pulmonary workup, SGPT, eye test, ear exam, even yung pong cleaning ng ngipin. So gusto ko po covered yun at walang copay, especially pag sa mga mahirap nating kababayan, at sabi niyo po, it will be done. Ano pong status, sir?
Honorable Senator Tulfo, we are still studying this, but we commit to comply with this directive within the year.
So when you say pag-aaralan pa lang, sigurado na ba o hindi sigurado? Ang gusto ko pong sagot, sigurado, pag-aaralan namin kung paano magiging sistema para mangyari po yun. And that will be music to my ears.
Honorable Senator Tulfo, we are studying it in our coverage for senior citizen, indigent, PWD, with a provision of no co-payment.
So ibig sabihin, mangyari pa rin talaga yun. No co-pay, especially sa mga minimum wage earners. They're not considered indigent, pero mababa yung kanilang sweldo, tama-tama lang, wala na silang dapat babayaran na